Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Tell them to subscribe.
Please subscribe and like. Okay.
It's happy Valentine's. Petition to make my man speak in the vlogs.
Happy Valentine.
Me and my twin.
Hi guys, my brother wants to dance.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Davon's Lifestyle. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. I hope you fall in love. I hope you stay. And if you're our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back for dope content. Remember to follow us on Instagram at Davon's Lifestyle and TikTok as well. So this is another vlog. It's gonna be an interesting vlog. So let's start this week's vlog.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again.
Yo guys, adulting, my lord, adulting is just holding me on my neck like this. So yeah, I'm having, don't mind, that's my microwave. I'm warming my food, what you've seen me plate. Yeah, that's what I want to have today. I'm not cooking. I'm so tired, but then thank God for my man. At least I'm having Java food and him as well. So that's what we're gonna have today. Adulting is not giving us a break, so that's what I'm warming. I think I'll catch up with you guys another day, hopefully tomorrow. Hi guys, how are you all doing? So let's make dinner together. Actually, I have visitors. Wanajifanya, they are so busy because I've decided to start recording and they were here yapping. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys. Hello.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Tell them to subscribe.
Please subscribe and like. Okay.
Hey, Kumbe, you can be so confident. She's blushing. So yeah, I have guests, so I have to make them something delicious, something nice. This is chicken. I had marinated. Actually, I was in the spirit. Lily marinated chicken in the morning, and then we're gonna have that with veggies and potato wedges. So everything is prepared. I just want to throw everything in the oven. So let's do this. It's so weird vlogging mkiwa hapa around. Actually, you're not looking. Yeah, baby, mnapata first hand before the edit.
Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah, yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you.
Hey guys, happy Valentine's! Today is Valentine's Day. We came to pick our flowers from Cinta's flower shop in New Muthaiga. So we are here to pick our flowers because it's Valentine's Day. I'm looking so cute. I had to wear a red lipstick, of course, because it's Valentine's. So yeah, this is how I'm looking with a nice black top and pants. The pants are sexy. They're giving sexy. Then Zimans is over here. Say hi to the vlog, love. Yani unasemanga hai hivi hata utaki kuambia anything. Petition to make my man speak in the vlogs. I don't know why he refuses to speak. Waambie basi happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine.
Yeah, at least happy Valentine's from us. So let's go pick our flowers. Actually today we're just spending Valentine's with our friends, and then tomorrow is when we're gonna spend our own Valentine's. You guys will see because we'll put in this vlog. We're going to do something so interesting and very intimate to us. So yeah, we want to take the flowers today because tomorrow we won't have time. Anyways, let's enjoy the vlog. The next day. Yesterday was Valentine. How was your Valentine? Please tell us in the comment section if you enjoyed your Valentines. Personally, we did enjoy our Valentines. It was so good. It was so beautiful. I'm laughing because I knew we were going to spend time with our friends, Moya David and Julie. So, yeah, that's what I knew. Then they decided to surprise me, and I was so surprised. I know you've seen the video, it's so beautiful. And yeah, I felt so good. I felt the Moya David moment when being surprised. So yeah, that was about our Valentine's yesterday. Then after that, we just had a good time, but we didn't get to spend time together with my husband. So today, that's what we want to do. We want to do a very nice, intimate spending time together. I'm already looking so cute. E for effort. Look at the effort. We're spending time at home, but the effort is there. So I've done my makeup. Let me show you my outfit and my husband's outfit. Then we get started. So E for effort, my face. Face card never declines. Yeah. So I've just done a simple face bit, nothing much. Then for the top, I'm wearing a white top that is sleeveless and has a bit of details on the back. I'll show you guys when I turn. Then the cutest shorts. They're giving sexy, they're giving Valentine's, and I love this so much. So this is what I'm wearing. Yeah, we're just gonna chill at home, but E for effort. Then my husband is over here. Love, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Unaongeleshanga na sign language. So my man is over here. He's in the spirit. Eish.
Hey.
Ako kwa spirit ya Valentine. So he's wearing a red t-shirt and just shorts for chilling at home. So yeah, that's about it. So let's start prepping for our quality time. Saying sangapi, love?
5 p.m.
Yeah, this is good time. So let's do this. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you haven't also followed us on our social media, that is TikTok and Instagram, please go and follow us at Davon's Lifestyle. We will truly appreciate. So let's begin.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see you.
Hey guys, now we want to unbox our Valentine's gifts. I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm really loving this. We're spending quality time together and I love it so much. So we got each other Valentine gifts and it's time to unbox.
Just for you.
Just for me. Can we start with you just for me?
Yes.
You got me this. Wow, thank you. Napenda venye imeandikwa just for you. The gift bag. And I love gold. Love. Wow. Outfit. Oh, this is cute. Inaitwaje? Tracksuit. At 2-piece. Ah, this is nice. And the details.
Yeah.
Guys, let me show you the details. The details. I don't know if you can see. I love the color. It's very feminine. It's white and pink. I love this so much.
Nowadays there are no colors.
Yeah.
Pink. There are no pink.
Wow, this is nice.
Yeah.
Hey,
It's
this
for
is
you.
nice. Thank you, love. Thank you. Nimepaka lip gloss.
Hi. It's well.
This is cute. I can't wait to try it. Oh, Namani, try. I can't wait. Thank you. Thank you, love. What else do I open? I'm actually fan. Yes. My
Hey.
gift to you. Open yangu ni kubwa.
Hakuna.
Open.
Finish opening. Yeah.
No, open.
Finish. You have to see what you have. You have to let me see.
Okay, let me. This imeandikwa Rich Beauty. Yeah. Wow, I love this. It's a Kojic soap. This soap is so good for your face. So
Yes.
good for your face. So it's a Kojic soap from Rich Beauty, and there's a thank you note over here. I love it. Niendelee.
Yeah. Open the last.
The
Last one.
Oh, hey, the bag is so big. Woo! Then you had to get two. Hata sio one. This is cute. Hata hakuna time. Makasi, love. Oh, wine. South Africa. Eh? Tall horse wine, South Africa. I love. South Africa is calling. South Africa is calling, love. 2025. I've never had this. Tall horse wines. This I've never tasted. Hey, hii hata ndio tutakunywa sahi. We have to toast to that. And then I feel like Mikado. It's also wine, but I feel like I've ever tasted this. Mikado. I love the bottle. Thank you so much. You know me so well. Thank you. Yeah, open.
My time to open. Alright.
Open.
You guys. Girls with socks.
From the socks basket.
Hey, socks.
Happy socks. Happy socks from the socks basket. Let me tell you guys, the reason why I actually decided to gift him socks, it's because I don't know if you've already seen the reel that we did with the socks basket. They sent us a PR package, and from the PR package, honestly, I loved the socks and the quality is so good. So I was like, bring more because ni Valentine's. Love, you will need them. On an easy tattoo, plain colors. These ones are good for work, and then these ones are good for weekend. But you can also wear them to work. 5 pairs of socks.
Socksy.
Ehe.
Voucher.
Ya nini? Gift voucher ya nini?
Hey. Voucher.
Ya nini? Ya car service.
To service the car.
Yeah. A gift voucher to service the car. Love, say thank you. Unatafuta tu zingine, sema thank you.
I'm looking for more socks. Oh. Hey.
Wewe.
Hey.
Uli venye ni smart. I love the
green.
the color is like initangwaje, it's a shade of green, but I'm not sure what shade of, but it's a shade of green. It's so beautiful, love.
Then I need to wear and see.
So cute.
So demure.
So demure. Kwa hivyo uko na two piece, niko na two piece. Yeah. And South Africa is calling. Yeah, the outfit is ready.
At least not socks only.
Yeah, at least not socks on. Not at least no socks only. No socks only.
Thank you for the gift.
Yeah, you're
Thank
welcome.
you, love. Yeah.
Okay, so good. Yes. Show them. I'm proposing to you. Will you marry me? Wow.
At least this time no socks, no boxers. At least a watch. Wow. Very official.
The color. You know, love, uko na watch ya color silver pekee. So nikasema a nice one, a different one would be nice. So a black one would do.
Love it.
Aww.
Nasema aje?
Inakaa smart.
It looks
Napenda hiyo
nice.
color.
Sexy.
Do you love it?
I love it. Thoughtful gift. Thoughtful.
Everything. Asa socks ni thoughtful.
Thoughtful. Thoughtful.
Okay, your wine. I have to taste that South African wine.
Wine.
Guys, good morning. Today is on Sunday. We're just done doing the setting up, so unsetting and getting our living room back to being a living room back to being a living room. So yesterday we had quite an awesome time. My husband is over here. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
So yeah, today is on Sunday and we are hosting. Our family is coming over, so we are hosting them and we want to make food for them. So yeah, do you have anything else to say? Love, love. Na tuna much love. Hey!
In the kitchen.
Just in the kitchen, we cook, but let me show you how we've done, how the living room looks. Back to normalcy. Oh my God, I love our home. Love, we have such a beautiful home. Do you love it? Yeah. Kuna one spinning hapo. Okay. So let's cook. So we're boiling minjis over here. In a Kikuyu homestead, minji is a must. And then beef. We're boiling beef. Then we're gonna have the beef stew with chapo and then and rice. So over here, my lovely husband is always helping out in the kitchen. So he's preparing the ingredients. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, tell them.
Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.
Yes, thank you. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, my name is Casey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share on YouTube, and do the same on TikTok. Just search the Bonds Lifestyle, or you can click on the button that it's just right there. You'd see a photo, then you click the follow button. Then now you share and comment.
Wow! Says like, share, subscribe. And you say? Let me see you.
His name is Saint.
Skylar, Emmanuel,
Me and my twin.
me and my twin at Yvonne's home, enjoying. Make sure you
Like,
share, subscribe to the Bonds.
on YouTube and on TikTok. Bye guys. Like today is the best day ever.
I can see while I was away, some people took over. Guys took over the channel. They've told you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please don't fail to subscribe. The kids have told you to subscribe. I love you so much, Auntie Yvonne. I know Auntie Yvonne is the best auntie, is it? I know I love you guys so much. So thank you, my babies. So as I'm recording this, they've left already and it's like 7 p.m. I'm home alone. I'm just from washing the dishes. My God. My God, the dishes were a lot, but the sink lazima ingelala ikiwa safi. Tomorrow my cleaning lady is coming, but then I was like, no, I don't also want to give her a lot of work ya kuosha vyombo and then akose kuosha nyumba vizuri. So I was like, let me just do the dishes so that tomorrow she can do like thorough cleaning. Because today we've had, not even today, it's like the last 3 or 4 days we've just been having guests at home. And then yesterday with the Valentine's decor and all, I know the house it's not in its best state. So tomorrow the cleaning lady will come. Oh, before I close the vlog, so that day on Valentine's Day, when we were meeting our friends Moya David and Julie, we were in Thika. We went to Thika together. After the surprise and everything, two ladies came to us and they told us that they watched Davon's lifestyle. And for a minute, I was shocked. Instead of being happy, I was just shocked. I was like, in Thika, someone is watching us in Thika. I was like, oh my God, people watch us. I think I was surprised, but my husband was mostly surprised. He was the one who's surprised the most. He was like, what? What did you say? So yeah, the two ladies who came to us and said hi to us, Aki, I've honestly forgotten your names, but thank you so much for coming to say hi. You guys don't know, that hi really affirmed us. You know, sometimes you see numbers, but you don't know if it's actual people who view you. Yeah, so that was so encouraging to us. Thank you so much to you two ladies who came to say hi to us. If you're here and if you're watching this, please tell us in the comments. If you ever come across us, please say hi to us. Please just come and say hi. So guys, let me close the vlog from here. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed every bit of this vlog. Yes, if you have enjoyed, please remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, remember to hit that notification bell so that whenever we upload, you're notified. Also, tell me in the comment section if you really enjoyed the vlog. If you don't have anything to say in the comments, please just leave me love hearts. I'll know that you're in spirit, you're supporting this channel, and you're here for us, okay? So yeah, without much further talking, allow me to close this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.